Have you ever wanted to use Claude Code without paying for an Anthropic subscription? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and set up free Claude Code on your Windows PC, step by step. We'll start from scratch, install all the required dependencies, configure everything correctly, and make sure Claude Code is working before we finish. I'll also explain each step along the way, so even if you've never installed a tool like this before, you'll be able to follow without any problems. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully working free Claude Code installation ready to use for coding, debugging, and building AI-powered projects. I'll also point out a few common installation mistakes and show you how to avoid them, so you don't get stuck during the setup process. If you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly installation guide that gets everything working on the first try, you're in the right place. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the installation. Click on the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of free Claude Code main page. In just few days this is going viral. As much complicated it look like installing this is easier. All you need is PowerShell and that's it, which is already in every computers. If you scroll down on main page you will see installation instructions. Just go to quick start section, there you will see Windows PowerShell code, copy it. Now run PowerShell as administrator and paste that code. This will take few minutes to install. Once done, choose Pi install option and click Y. Once it's done, it's installed. Now run another PowerShell window. Type this code, this will launch dashboard. Now you need to load model. First go to your C drive. In C drive go to users and inside user you logged in. Now inside FCC file, there is this .env file. If it's not there, create .env file. Open this .env file in Notepad. It will be empty. I posted code in my description, put it there. Now you need to get API key. It can be of NVIDIA or OpenRouter. Go to main page of OpenRouter. You can easily make account on it by linking your Gmail. After you logged in, click on Get API Key. Create new API key and copy it. Now paste that API key in Notepad of .env. Save this file and go to Dashboard. In OpenRouter option, click Refresh Models. Now go to Model Configuration and choose model you want. If you go to Open Router Model page, you will see list of models free or paid. Just choose free model and list. Then click Validate. Now you can refresh models again, then run another PowerShell window. Type this code in PowerShell. Now you are ready to use Claude for free. And that's it. You now have free Claude Code successfully installed and ready to use on your PC. From here, you can start building applications, writing code, debugging projects, and taking advantage of AI-assisted development without paying for a Claude subscription. If you ran into any issues during the installation, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you get everything working, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe for more AI tutorials, local AI tools, open source software, and step-by-step installation guides. I'll also keep you updated whenever there are new features, better free alternatives, or important updates to Claude Code. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.